Alright guys, so having a plant video for you guys here today. Just going to be watering my plants and recording. So I haven't done an update on a lot of these immersed plants in a while. Here is 5 pintos that I started growing. Pretty high grade, you can see they're all white right there. Actually a lot of growth. I try to move them away from this container into their own kind of thing, but they are actually all rooted in there, so I actually can't move any of them. So let me just spray them right there. We have the Dew Aqua or the Dua Wabikusa mist spray right there. Has all their little fertilizers that any kind of immersed plant would need if you're going to grow them out of the water, things like that. So we got the pinto right there, nice and watered. Busulafandra copperleaf right here. So get this nice and watered. And I like that you guys can already see a nice lot of coloration right here, a little bit over there. Spray this with the liquid ferts. You can see a lot of new leaf growth, all the nice little bright green leaves all around. So here I am covering copperleaf right now. So it's been a while since I posted a plant video. I've been pretty busy doing other things. You guys see on the channel I've been doing a lot of Pokemon stuff too as well. Alright, so moving on from the Nubias and the Booses, we come down to the Makotas Patola and the other jeweled orchids. So this was a little piece that we had that fell off, and it's been growing pretty good. So a little bit of water right there. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of the ferts right there, liquid ferts. Leave it open, get some fresh air, air it out. Let's put the seal back on. But here's another jeweled orchid right here. You can see very beautiful. Dark green leaves, new leaves green. Dark, you can pretty much see, like, I was gonna say dark copper, but it's pretty much golden veins right there. Let me water this one up. So this is looking very nice right there. A little bit of water. This is usually for immersed plants, but I mean, plants are plants to me, and I feel like they all need the same thing pretty much, right? So I don't see what the problem would be if I wanted to give plants some of that. I mean, I could be wrong, so if I am wrong, someone, let me know in the comments if immersed plants or land plants can't get the same things as, Alright, so here we have another rare bromeliad. I think this one is called Bromeliad brevirimosa. You can see nice new leaves growing. This is a new leaf that started growing right here. And yeah, it's looking very nice. You can see. Very beautiful plant. So let's water you real quick. Sphagnum moss and the other terrestrial moss that I put in here is growing very nice as well. Alright, so let's get some of that liquid ferts in there. One spray, and we are good. Going to a little cube here that I made, and it has Busulafandra. Wait, I did say it right. Busulafandra Brownie Phantom. We have Busulafandra, Busulafandra Brownie Phantom here, and I think this is that's the mini phantom. This is the regular phantom. I have slate rocks in here, and all the other white plants, they're all Anubia pintos. So I'm just growing that here just for a little fun. It looks very nice. If you guys watched the other video, the first watering video, this pinto was a lot smaller. So it's very nice to see them all growing nice and well. Just a little bit of water. And we got one spray here, one good spray. And we are closing this one up. We have 2 very nice begonias. So the one on the right, this one right here, doesn't really have a name. it's a Sonerilla species type, but it doesn't have a very Sonerilla is just the base name. If you look at online, you'll see a lot of green Sonerillas with white spots, but none of them have these, like, if you can see how beautiful the underside is, bright and pink and purple veins just all around. And I mean, even the old leaves, I mean, they're still little, they're losing the pink, but they're still there. I mean, this leaf that died here, it's, you know, it's dying out, still nice and green, and, you know, it's very nice. I have terrestrial moss right there. This begonia right here is a begonia Julau. Nice and iridescent pinks, very beautiful. This is a new leaf that actually started growing maybe a week ago. Yeah, so very beautiful. Let's get you guys watered up in here. And don't mind the dog barking. He doesn't like me spraying the bottles because he actually likes being sprayed in the face of the bottle, so whenever he hears the spray, he just starts to go crazy. Here we just have a bigger Julau here by itself. Don't mind the container, it's a little trashy. But here we have a big Julau. You guys want to see that right there? Looking very nice. You can see how iridescent the leaves are right there. Look at that pink right there. It's just nice and glittery. Very beautiful begonias. Next one up, we have another Julau, same type. So this one is gonna look a little bit different because what I did was I trimmed the top leaves, and I've been starting my propagation project right now. So you'll see right here, this plant right here, many leaves, many beautiful leaves. Still has about what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. And I trimmed off, I think, 2 from the top. I think there was 1 right here and 1 down, I think this one right here. And I trimmed those, I got them propagating. So this begonia Julau again, very beautiful. You guys can see how iridescent and how nice that pink is. 1 spray, closing you up, and we are moving on. So we have begonia white ice and malachistica right here, very nice. I have I think I have these propagating as well. I just have them in here growing. So those 2 very nice ones. Begonia Bikari. You guys want to take a look? Very, very different as well. It's not very, you know, colorful or anything, but it is a very nice one. Underside is nice and pink. Nice pink, strong pink veins. Nice and green. Very different leaf shape as well. It's more round than more of that like angular kind of type. More of a, I don't even know what kind of shape that is. So guys, we have those right there. The next thing I have to show you guys is I have these bins that I've been working on. So give me a second, I'm going to transition over to the bins, get that ready, and show you guys what I've been working on. Alright guys, so here we are with our first bin. This one here has, I think, my medium-sized pintos and some random Busulafandras in here. So we're going to take a look right here. We have Anubianana petites here that I've been growing. Here's a bunch of pintos as well. Here's my snow whites that I've been growing that needed more space, so I moved them over here. Here's Busulafandra Ghost El Nino right there. We have some more pintos right here, different sizes. I do have them in potting soil underneath. So here we are let's water them real quick. Water, 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 water. Water, water, water. Nice and wet right there. Whap. Got that nice and watered, nice and fertilized. That is 1 bin down out of 4. So now we have the next bin, which is growing some of my rare Busulafandras. Here we are, right here. Very nice spread. It has a bunch of purple diamonds, purple emperors. We have brownie blues in here as well. Neil's Helena 2013. We have a whole bunch in my fish tank as well, and this is what I have just growing immerse, because you know growing immerse is a lot faster. So I just want to see what kind of growth I'll have on these guys, and we are good. I mean, look at some of the coloration on these already. I mean, look at this one right here. Look how purple this one is already. Like, some of these leaves are actually beautiful. So here we have the boost bin down. Next one up is the begonia bin. So in here, what do we have? We have two Darth Vaders. We have a Darth Vader right here and another Darth Vader right here. Hopefully they grow. I had another Darth Vader earlier, but then that one did not make it out of all the plants that I've been growing so far. We have another Julao up here. We have Julao here. We have another Julao, a different kind of Julao. I think this is actually, wait a second, give me a second. I think this is a Braviramosa actually, and the others are Julaos. Yeah. This one right here is the Malacostica, and this one right here is a different one. Let me see if I can find what that name is really quick. It is on one of my papers in the log. This one right here is actually Begonia Variscolor right there. You can actually see it's a little hairy, has different colors. New leaf has different colors. Stem is bright red. Very nice begonias here. We're gonna get them nice and watered. So I've actually taken some of the trimmings from some of these plants. So some of these plants look a little bit shorter because I know for a fact I took one trimming here from here. Actually, I think I took two. One from here, one from there. I think I took one big one from here, and there was one here that I took. I didn't want to touch the Variscolor because I'm going to leave that one alone. If I did, I would probably do this leaf at some point. I did take, I think, a Darth Vader trimming as well. And this is my last bin. So last bin here is gonna have a propagation of different begonias. So if you can see over here on the left side, I have some baby begonias here, some baby Julaos growing all over the place right here, you know? And then the rest of it is pretty much my propagation project, and I wanna see if I can get any baby begonias to pop out. And yeah, so this is really what I've been working on and seeing if this even works. So let me water all of these real quick, get you guys nice and watered. And I am gonna try the liquid fertilizer. 1 spray, 2 spray, 3 spray, 4 spray, right there. And you know, we have a whole bunch of different ones in here. We have I gotta show you guys, it's in the bigger bin, but this is begonia. I think this is begonia cala. There's so many different names. This is a begonia calamantan type 1 right here. Yeah. This is the Sonerilla. That's the Malacostica. We have a whole bunch of Julao, Braviramosa, and you know, there's just, this is Saireki Pink, you know, so we do have a whole bunch of different ones in here. So we are done with that. And the next bins up are my deep bins. So give me a second. I'm gonna have to probably change the camera angle somehow so I can get you guys to be able to see this. Alright, so here we are with the first bin that has a whole bunch of jeweled orchids and begonias. So in here we have a few different ones. that you guys haven't seen earlier. So we have two types of jewel orchids here. We have here that has the gold veins. This is a different one from that one right there. This begonia is Begonia Curtsey, I think Milky Way. We have another one in here. This one right here I think is Galaxy. If you can see, it has those like kind of golden iridescent speckles on it. Leaves grow very different. You know, we have Malacostica over here, Calamantite. We have this one right here is change the angle. That is Julao type 2. And you know, this is just one of the bins that I have. I'm gonna see how these grow out, and from here hopefully our harvest, and we can you know, propagate the ones in here. And here we are with the pintos. So here we are with my bigger size pintos, and here's my dog trying to go after my plants. So here we are at the pintos. Gonna water these guys real quick. I do have some Bussophondras over there in the corner. Alright, here we have my peacock fern. And we have all of these guys nice and watered up. Give them the ferts. Alright. Hey guys, so I want to thank everybody for watching the video. You know, I'm gonna try to come out with more plant stuff more often, showing more updates on the plants and, you know, new things coming in. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon.